Bunny takes.
We are back. It's for this Thai singer. His name is Jeff Satur.
Satur, I think.
Jeff Satur.
I'm sorry if we botched the pronunciation.
I'm sorry.
Please teach us how to
Forgive
pronounce it. We're trying our best, okay?
And,
Yeah. I know the actor. I remember. Yeah, I know the actor. I know him as a actor.
Yeah, that's how I know him.
Yeah.
From a drama. I don't think we should mention it, but if you find his name, you will know.
You know. That's then we'll say. We didn't know he was a singer.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
So I'm very excited because I know he's a good actor. So I hope he appears in his music videos.
Yeah, I think he will
think.
appear.
Yeah.
I mean, he's an actor, so I'm sure he will have to narrate his own music.
Yay, let's go.
Let's go. So it's a golden night.
Jeff Satur.
Every year they say it might snow. Where is it?
In Miami, never. To me, it's just a miracle. So friendly. Say hi to me.
Ooh, she's pretty.
It's hard for me to see him with someone else after watching the show. I'm trying it, okay? I guess I'll show you that tonight. I believe anything he acts on.
Wait, this sounds like like I say golden night, so it's like night music.
I feel like it sounds more like Christmas romantic song.
Yeah. And I really like his voice, like sounds like he's telling a story.
He's telling a story.
I know, but it's like it's very soft.
Melodic, like yeah, like a ballad.
Like you enjoy like while he talking.
Yeah.
ร้านที่เคยฉลองยังอยู่ที่เดิมเพียงแค่ขาดเธอสิ่งที่ต้องเจอน้ำตาก่อนเที่ยงคืนในปีนี้เราปีกี่ยังไม่เคยเจอเขาเลยปีทั้งปียังคิดถึงเธอ Tell myself กันแล้วที่จะไม่คิดถึงเธอเลย
It looks like he's remembering something because it looks like a memory.
I mean, listen to the lyrics, sounds like a breakup song.
Right?
Like he's remembering him.
Yeah, so he's coming back here to look for her, like look for the trace that they have before.
Yeah. Never.
แต่เธอยังเฝ้าอยากเจอยังคิดถึงเราในปีนั้นเราเขาปีกี่ยังไม่เคยเจอเขาเลยปีทั้งปียังคิดถึงเธอเหมือนเคย
But sometimes.
Reunion.
Oh, Miracle happened twice.
Oh, reunion. We don't know why they broke up. Or maybe they were never together. Maybe they just liked each other.
Oh, okay.
And
And then they say,
they
oh,
separated.
and it's like that's why the second miracle is like you meet the person again.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, you can interpret it different ways, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I kind of like it that it didn't end sad because I thought like, oh, it's gonna
So
break
like-
up, yeah, it's gonna end up so sad.
But it's very like
Hopeful.
yeah,
I like his
romantic
voice.
too.
Yeah.
Very romantic.
I like it. Good job. I'm not disappointed. He can do multi-talent king. Funny.
Okay, so we are back for continue Jeff music.
Satur.
Fade.
Yes, Fade.
Fade.
ต้องนานเท่าไรที่เรื่องราวนี้มันจึงจะผ่านพ้นไปกลิ่นกาแฟในตอนสายภาพสุดท้ายที่จะเดินจากไป
Oh, she's pretty.
เคยบอกเธอไว้ว่ายังไง
I have to say that Thai people are very pretty because they have different mix, so they have more. The features is more stand out.
Oh, I only know Thai people for the dramas. So for me, everyone is handsome.
Yeah, they're very pretty and very handsome because their facial structures it's very stand out. Like James.
Ah, yeah, true.
Yeah, so
They have very sharp features, like supermodel features.
yeah, so you can see their features is more clear.
ว่าถ้าเธอต้องไปก็ไม่เป็นไรแต่พอเราเข้าจริงเป็นฉันที่ไม่ไปไหน
No man.
ภาวนาให้ฉันไม่ฝันถึงเธอให้เพลงรักที่ฟังไม่พูดถึง
It's a
เธ
breakup
อ
song.
จำได้เพียงปล่อยเบลอแต่สุดท้ายก็ยังคิดถึงเธอพอใจให้เจ้าจึงไม่ลืมใครคนหนึ่งในใจสักทีก็ลืมไปว่าลืมยังไงยังคงคิดถึงเธออยู่อย่างนี้
So good.
พอใจให้เจ้าจึงไม่ลืมใครคนหนึ่งในใจสักทีต้องใช้น้ำตาเท่าไรลบภาพเธอในใจทำอย่างไรก็ลืมไปแล้วว่าต้องลืม
I had to forget her.
ต้องใช้เวลาทุกวันจำได้เพียงนั่งมองนาฬิการอจนเช้าให้เรื่องราวมันเดินแล้วเธอแค่ยังกลับมา
Oh, bad boy. Bye.
ก็เพิ่งได้รู้ว่าวันหนึ่งเพียงแค่ความคิดถึงก็ทรมานติดอยู่ในวังวนเรื่องราวในวันวานผ่านไป
He felt worried.
ภาวนาให้ฉันไม่ฝันถึงเธอให้เพลงรักที่ฟังไม่พูดถึงเธอทำได้เพียงปล่อยเบลอ
please explain.
I need the 2 seasons that we missed on this show. I like the name. Oh, that was the beginning of all the pain after he's suffering so much to forget her. But what happened? Oh, her real name is Trinity. What happened? Did she survive? Did she die? What happened about the mafia?
So much question here. Okay.
Yeah, I need an explanation. Anyone knows the storyline of this? We're missing something. Please let us know.
Missing content.
We're missing the whole season. We jump to the end. But yeah.
I feel like his song is sad. Like
the first song, it was hopeful. This one is just tearing your heart apart. She's like, he's suffering. I really like this song.
yeah, because the melody,
And the message too. I don't know, I like pain. I like suffering.
Oh.
But yeah, I really like this music video in particular because more like a movie tells a story.
Mm-hmm.
And also the song fits very well with it. And the lyrics, you can feel, well, he's a spectacular actor, like
He know how to
convey the message.
Yeah.
Um,
Like his music is like the movie is.
yes. So I really like it. Also, she's a great, I don't know if she's an actress or a singer.
I'm sure she's quite like an actress.
She was very great. But yeah, I'm very curious about what happened in the story because there was like a revolution, and then she was living with another man. Like, was she like pretending to get like, I don't know, and then she went to jail and she got stabbed. Like, there's a mafia or something. What is going on? And then they're like showing us how they met. So they were completely strangers. And
So we go from the we go from the ending. I mean, we go from the end to the beginning.
Yeah. So yeah, I really like it. This song will go to my playlist
Right now.
right now before I forget.
Okay, now we're going to the next one. Ghost. I wonder, was this another sad story?
I feel like his voice fits very well with this type of genre,
I'm
like
telling you,
romantic,
he's
like
very
pain,
Like he's
ballads.
very good.
Yeah, I like it.
Rocket.
Where's the horses and the cows?
ข่าวของฉันในใจทุกความรู้สึกทุกคำทุกความทรงจำทุกสิ่งที่เธอเคยทำเธอคงไม่ต้องการมันเธอไม่ต้องบอกหรอกว่าเธอจะเลิกไม่ต้องมา
Go to grave. I don't know.
ฉันจะ
Maybe that's what
ใน
trans
ใจ
is
ไปซ่อนไว้ไกลและไม่ต้องกลับมาไม่ใช่เธอก็ไม่เป็น สอนแล้วให้ฉันหาเธอกลับคืนมามันเป็นแค่ภาพลวงตาที่ติดในห่วงเวลาเธอจะไปตัวฉันก็เข้าใจจะอยู่ให้ไหวจะไม่ต้องสนใจไม่ว่าได้ยินอะไรให้เธอเดินไปไม่ว่าจะดังเท่าไรนั่นไม่ใช่เสียงของน้ำตาเธอไม่ต้องบอกหรอกว่าเธอจะลา
I think she's married with someone
ไม่
else.
ต้องมาบอกหรอกว่า
Oh,
มี
that's
น้ำตา
that's why she changed the rings.
Now why does military and doctors come? What's going on?
Why he's
It is the husband.
okay? I think the story.
We're sorry, you're probably too much. It's not we're processing, okay?
Wait, I think the story is like
He's a farmer.
he grabbed a woman. Like he
Kidnapped her?
kidnapped her, right?
I don't think so. I think that's the house, their house. Like he works in there, like then they
Maybe
farm.
as a farm.
Yeah, and then he fell in love with her. But they were showing pictures of them married.
Maybe in his imagination.
But it was only her though. Maybe he saw her getting married there.
But to the other guy.
To the other guy, yeah. And he proposed. I don't know. Because the song has a close singing sometimes. Maybe it doesn't matter if he's real.
Maybe they got his crazy.
No, I think they are Miss Pregnant.
But that's it.
Maybe a clone. And she was just like, she united. Trying to accept that he's not with her anymore. So they were like this the lyrics, No, why she's not going with him?
Well, someone had to stay, otherwise they'll be suspicious.
I don't agree. I really like his music video. It has such a plot twist. I'm like, what is going on? Like every music video is like, I want a whole season of this. Their stories are so interesting.
We have a big brain moment. Like a big brain moment.
Yes. But yeah, we have to keep us engaged. We have to have theories and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, I noticed that he do a lot of like songs of like breakup.
Sad song.
So far as what we are like hearing and
Getting.
watching. Yeah. I really like it. I feel like he portrays very well that in his voice you can feel the pain, the lyrics. It's very poetic. I really like it.
Yeah.
And also obviously the music video. So
I say that his voice is
very good.
beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Jeff Satur.
Wet.
Rain.
Wedding.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, this is an OST.
Oh, so I wonder where's that from?
Please, if you know, let us know.
Well, let me tell you, I like to watch Thai drama.
They're very good.
Yeah. They are very good. Like, they have a lot of good story too.
They're very creative.
And they look good.
Of course.
Is that red pepper?
And it's like
Do I turn on the English?
ท่ามกลางหมู่ดอกไม้มากมายทันได้ฝนกลับรังกายเหยียบดวงใจฝนร่วงโรยดังรัก จากใจจากผู้ใดแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอลมฝันที่ได้เจอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากเคยลมพัดแรงเท่าไรเพียงและปานเท่าใดแต่เมื่อฉันมีเธอ
He died? What is always plot twist? I like the ending. ที่เคยได้พบและผ่านในวันนี้เป็นดังเงาเฝ้ารังควาน I forgot it's an OST. The first one was conceived from the series.
จะทาพาใจฉันแต่เมื่อฉันได้พบเธอลมฝันที่ได้เจอมันก็เปลี่ยนไปจากเคยลมพัดแรงเท่าไรเพียงและปานเท่าใดแต่เมื่อฉันเธอ
I believe like when you burning stuff, it's like trying to
Forget?
mm-hmm.
Letting
It's like-
go?
Yeah.
อยากมาฝันเธอมาเรามาฝันอวยพรให้ความรักเราทั้งสองครองคู่ไปนิรันดรหากเท่าไรหากเท่าไรจงยื่นมือให้ฟ้าทันเธอฟังได้ใจลำพังเมื่อเราดังงานนี้หากวันใดเจอพายุคงไม่กลัวสักเท่าไรต่อให้ฝนสาดดวงใจรักที่เธอนั้นปลอบฉันหากเท่าไรหากเท่าไรจงเต้นรำยามฟ้ากระหน่ำขอแค่มีเธอทุกๆวันก็เป็น
I like the
Yeah, like
Very
a song with you is like every day.
Like feels like a wedding again.
Yeah, because love is there anytime. It's
All the time. I was saying like, oh, I want to watch the show. Now I'm scared. But I know the pressure after watching it. Because he is very good actor. Like he interprets very well with his eyes.
yeah.
And I feel like even with the song you can feel the pain, you can feel like what they went through and everything, a lot of hardships. And yeah.
It's just so beautiful. Like I'm saying,
Yeah.
the lyrics, like how the way he will portray it. It's
How he sees love too.
mm-hmm.
Like even in the previous songs, even though there were like a couple of songs that they were like breakup songs, he sees it like in the beginning it's like, oh, very bad, but then he turns down
It's like
around.
you learning a
It's
lesson.
beautiful, yeah.
It ended up to be like a lesson you learn.
Yeah. That you can still remember and could be a good memory too.
Yeah.
So I really like it.
Me too.
Satur.
Doom doom.
Dum. Oh, that's interesting.
Sunshine.
That's not guitar. That's
จะเป็นไงฉันรู้อยู่
Wow.
จะเมื่อไรก็ ความสุขที่ได้ดูความเจ็บปวดที่เธอทำฉัน I've been trying to call you เพื่อจะบอกว่าฉันจะจำวันที่เธอทำร้ายกันวันและเวียนอย่างนั้นเคยทรมานแต่ฉันเริ่มเดินทางเคยภาวนาแต่ฉันเริ่มระอายิ่งเธอทำร้ายยิ่งดูน่าเวทนาช่วยทำให้เจ็บวันนี้เพราะฉันยังมีเวลาดมดมดมดมดมดม
Wow. I really like the vibe. This one is very dark. Like he's going crazy.
Psychopath.
Yeah.
คำรุนแรงที่ชอบบอกคำโกหกที่ชอบหลอกเธอคงจำไม่ได้หรอก
Gang.
ก็ลงไปนั้นไร้สิ่งใดเธอบอกเธอรักฉันจริงแต่ทำลายทุกสิ่งคำที่บอกว่ารักจริงบอกตัวเองเพื่อไงเคยทรมานแต่ฉันเริ่มเดินจากเคยภาวนาแต่ฉันเริ่มระอา
Oh no. I run
เธอ
it
ทำ
back.
ร้ายดูน่าเวทนาช่วยทำให้เจ็บวันนี้เพราะฉันยังมีเวลาดมดมดมดมดมดม
I like how it sounds. It's very dark side of her. This is his range.
ฉันต้องการเธอฉันสำคัญตัวเองผิดไปแล้วนะบอกใครต่อใครว่าฉันจะพาเป็นตัวเธอเองหรือเปล่า แต่ว่าไม่ฉันต้องการเธอฉันสำคัญตัวเองผิดไปแล้วนะบอกใครต่อใครว่าฉันจะพาเป็นตัวเธอเองหรือเปล่า
Ooh.
ดมดมดมดมดมดม
It's kind of like a Joker vibe.
Yeah. Sunshine what?
Did he die? Moonshine. Sunshine, moonshine. Okay, this video was very darker. It was the opposite of the other ones.
So we can see different side of him.
Why he's always suffering? Can he have like a happy, jolly song and drama? Why his drama? He's
Hey,
also suffering.
At least we got to see that he's really good at acting.
Yes, yes, for sure. You can see he transmits emotion in his face very well.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how he ended up dead in here. Oh, he have like wings too, like the water.
Oh yeah.
Very interesting. But yeah, I really like the themes of his music video. It feels like movie. Like every time I watch a video, it's like a movie or like a story. I really like that concept.
Same.
Yeah, and it's very well done and very well acted, obviously.
Yeah, the aesthetic,
Yeah,
the art is like way on point.
yeah. And I noticed that Lady Goodman is being the I gotta speak. The
Lady
director.
Goodman,
The director.
Yeah, who's that director?
He's the director of the previous videos too.
I know there's some like
Lady
who-
Goodman. So far, props to you. You edit very well and you
Yeah.
direct very well.
Keep
Keep
going.
going. I think they're not the one that directs, but they're the one who direct, like guide everyone. So yeah, I really like so far the style, because even though there are different themes each video, they had kind of have the same vibe.
Yeah, they connected to the same, like the way they do the music, and like I say, the aesthetic.
Yeah.
It's where it's matching the vibes.
Yes, I like it.
Yeah,
Thank
you can recommend some more song about him.
Yes, and if you have some like explanation.
Oh
I
please.
any drama recommendation that he's in, please let us know.
Yeah.
We watch the drama. We like the Thai drama.
Hey.
Me in particular.
Yeah, particular.
Bye.